Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Gail. So in today's video, I basically had no sleep and I surprised myself with how productive I was for the day, and I turned my failures into wins. Let's get into the video.
I had no sleep during the night. The app I use showed that I had some sleep, but I actually had no sleep. This sometimes happens to me when I have a lot on my mind. I decided to get up after 4 a.m. I cleaned, I exercised, then I showered, I made some coffee, and then I got some work done. I do marketing work for my husband, so I thought I'll get that done quickly before I start feeling not like her and then become useless. But after I finished work, I still felt fine, so I cleaned some more. I still need to do my windows, but that's for another day. I kept on waiting for myself to crash because of this no sleep, but for some reason I was on a roll. My impulsivity kicked in and I decided to bake. A quick disclaimer, don't use this video as a recipe to follow. Even when I follow a recipe, I don't truly follow a recipe, and I'm not using a recipe here. You can just Google a chocolate chip cookie recipe. There is so many good ones out there. Also, when I'm baking, I don't really plan on it. So maybe next time I'll get all the correct ingredients and I'll do a dedicated video for a cookie or a cake video. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see a video like that, and also what you would like me to make, a cake, cookies, and I will try my best to put something together.
You know what? I don't have vanilla essence. No, the bottle is out of well. Trying to get down like that. Other than camera falling. Are we getting it? Are we getting it? Yeah. Got it.
Just so you notice it, your looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
stuff. Yes. Yum. Oh, it's a little bit frozen.
I think I should have used a different sugar, but I used what I had on hand. I should have spaced the dough balls a little bit further apart, and so I think the dough balls, or the cookie dough, should have been a bit smaller. My pizza dough did not turn out that great. I used a smaller piece of the dough as a tester, and I made like a flat bread, but it's not really flat bread, well, pieces of flat bread. And it actually turned out really good. My pizza dough did not turn out that great. I used a smaller piece of the dough as a tester, and I made like a flat bread, but it's not really flat bread, or pieces of flat bread. And it actually turned out really good. So the next day I made pizza for my family. Now my family has requested that we only eat homemade pizza. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing for me. I've never really made a lot of, breads and pizzas. For some reason. I know it's fairly easy to make once you get the technique. But I've always enjoyed baking, even with all the fails. I kind of enjoy baking. And I will continue to bake, fails or no fails. And my family loves it. Thank you for being here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, show me some love. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.